Okay, this video actually to help you in your lab assessment. So generally you have 4 tasks, but I will split it into each video for one task only. Okay, you need to prepare first your Linux, your SUSE Linux, and then together with your lab manual. So the first task, you need to manage user account with YaST, very simple. And then the second task or a second exercise, check user and group information on your server. And then the third one, you need to create and manage user and group from command line interface, and then manage file permission for last part. So for this video, I will give you a example of how can you perform the first exercise, the first task. In this first task also consists of some part 1, part 2, part 3, and part 4. So we'll try to go one by one. Really quite straightforward, just look into it. Okay, first exercise, you need to create a new user account and then log in using your new user account and try to look at the uh, password file and so on. Okay, this one utility node Gecko admin. So you as an admin, this is what we used, right, previously when we create the account. If you're using other account, then just using your own account, your account name, your login name. Okay, by default I ask you to using admin as the username. Okay, this exercise will be performed in server side, mean your SUSE Linux enterprise server. Okay, part 1. To create new user account with YaST, do the following. Login to your server as root and open YaST control center. So no worry, you can use it as a root. First, okay, I log out. Switch you log out first. I need to log in as a root. Because this one I log in as a admin. Wait a while. And then when you already log in as your root, then go to security and user group management. You can see the tab there. Okay, this one. You need to remember the password for your root. Or I'm using different password. The first password that we create before. Because I'm using wrong password. Now I'm using my own password, username root, password admin. Okay. Password admin. See. When you log in, you can go to security and users in our YaST control. Maybe I need to look into setting. I need to, okay, 2 gig already. Okay, go for your YaST. Okay, you can take screenshot when you create you go to the security and group user. You can take a screenshot here and user management. So group management. By default, I have my name admin here, right? Make it bigger. On the user tab, maybe you can take a screenshot. Those. And put by default here. On the user tab, you need to add the following info. Tax penguin, username tax, password. You can just follow that novel so that you did not forget about it. And then okay, simple, no issue. You can take screenshot as well. Okay, copy. What happened? Copy. Here. Okay, and okay, yes. Then close your YaST. Now you see there are tags here, right? Screenshot one more time. We have two users now. Later you can describe. Okay, next part 2. You need to move to part 2. This one, just click OK or close. And log in a new user. One more time, you try to log out. First, previously we log out to log in as root. Right now, we try to log out to log in as a new user. Still remember the tag, right? Tags and novel. Okay. In. So no other display, right? So mean we'll just wait for the login. So they need to initialize for new user. New created user, they need to initialize the account. Then you see there are tags home here. This one also you can take screenshot so that this is the example of the tags account. Okay, this is the account. Then we move to part 3. Very fast, right? Very simple. Make it bigger again. To view the password file. Okay, for tab, start the Netflix file manager. Double click your tab home icon on the desktop, and then the content of tab home directory is displayed. Okay, this is the content already initialized and created for you. Notice there are directories for users tab and Gecko. in home. Okay, now you go to home. This is home. See the home, right? Click home. See, there are your home, admin and tab. Previously we are using admin, so there are no Gecko. So this one admin actually, because we are using admin for the first time we created. And then browse the file system to etc directory. Go to file system, go to etc directory, and open password file by double clicking it. paswd, passwd. This is folder. There are file. You find the file, not folder. You can search also. This one, passwd, passwd.ol, and so on. We're just using this. You notice here, okay, make it bigger. Notice the entry for user start and echo at the end of file. You see, this one. Admin, username admin. Actually, I'm using my full name. Okay, but for tag, actually the full name is tag penguin. Notice the entry. Okay, this one more admin. Not equal because using admin. Then close the windows, or you can take image this one as evidence that you already did it. Okay, this is yours, right? For me, uniquely because I have my own name there. For you also. Then close. Just to view the password file. Then part 4, login as user Gecko or our admin. This means our admin previously. Okay, one more time, admin. So we log out first. One more time, we log out so that we can log into new to the different user account. One more time, admin. Okay. You will waiting for the login file. Okay, now username admin. Okay, using admin, and my password also admin. This one from my part. But for you, if you change the password, you need to remember. For me, by default, last time I using the same one until today. Hopefully you remember your password. Okay, this is what we have done previously, right? Then from Genome Desktop Computer, more application. System, yes, you go for the system. System, go to it, yes. Then you see you need to become a root to execute this command. Your password, you need to remember. For me, I still using admin as a password. Select continue, and from YaST Center you go same command, same window previously, security and user group. User and group management, you can see back the tasks, right? You can take screenshot before you delete, before you take any action. Be first, you can put under here. From the list of user, select tag and delete. Now you want to delete the user, the tag's name. Delete. Click here, delete home directory. That means all the directory that provisioned by the system will be deleted. It's not auto delete, but you need to choose it. Okay, click yes. This one you can take. So okay, then click okay. Now only one user. Confirm that the user tag has been removed by doing the following. You still go back to your username or home directory. Just close. This is admin directory, right? You go to home, go up. So you see only admin available now. Previously, when you created tax home directory is there, but now only admin. So browse the file system home, okay, browse to etc back to look back the password file. This one you can take screenshot as well. You see no other user, only admin. This one. Okay. Now we go to file system one more time, etc and password file. You can see no more, right? No more tax file here. Only admin. Only one user already. Remove. Okay. So you can take screenshot as well here to prove that you already done. Okay, now close your Windows. Not the main one. Cancel here. You just want to close this file. End of exercise. That's all for the first part of first exercise.